You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. For more confusing English pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here, so it's easy once you know. Cows. Yes, the spelling comes with an S, but the sound is a Z sound or a Z sound. Cows. Cows. The plural of the word cow. One cow, several cows. Cows. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.